What is up, guys? TechRax here, and today I've got an interesting video for you guys. Call of Duty Black Ops 2 is pretty much confirmed for the Vita this very year, and I'm pretty sure the name is going to be Black Ops 2. However, that's just a rumor going on right now. It could be a different name. It could be Black Ops 2. We're not sure, but the most important topic and the whole idea behind this is Call of Duty is coming out for the Vita, and this is definitely going to help Sony. This is going to help the Vita itself, since it had a pretty weak launch lineup, at least for me, because I know Uncharted was pretty good, but there were a few other games, but overall I think the launch lineup was pretty weak. But Call of Duty will be coming out. I really can't wait, because I think this will definitely help Sony, since it's been losing a lot of money, as well as it's Call of Duty. It's a successor. So I really can't wait. There's just a few articles out now, or they've been out for a few days. But what are your thoughts? And for some of you guys who have been like borderline, am I thinking if you're gonna buy the Vita, maybe hold off for later time? Um, I definitely would recommend you guys buying the Vita, at least in the future, because now that this game is coming out, you're gonna know for sure some stronger games are gonna be there in the future. So it's just not the game. It's not You're not just gonna be looking forward to the games right now. There's gonna be a lot more games coming out, and hopefully the Vita will stay strong and will succeed. So that is pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Just wanted to make that video, and peace out.